Hi everyone, Wayne here. And I want to show you the dryer vent I just put in. Maybe you're like me, you're kind of tired of bugs getting in. Well, me too. You ever feel a chill coming in around your dryer? Wondering if bugs and critters? I absolutely worry about that because we got some critters around this old house. This dryer vent cover fits a 4-inch opening. Now, as you can see, I had to do a little adjusting on it because this brick foundation and brick wall or block were not a smooth transition where they put this dryer vent out. So I had to do some special work on it, and that's okay because that's what I do. But this thing, you can probably hear the dryer working now, and it's blowing there. See, so that comes up when the dryer blows, and the lid stays down, and it comes out around here. Sorry, it comes out around here, and that when the dryer shuts off, this dude is done. It's down. Nothing's getting in that hole. So anyway, it was really easy to put up even in my special situation. It just took a few minutes, and like I said, I had to do some extra stuff with it too. So you can buy this with confidence. It's easy. It's safe. It's a nice vent. So much better than what I had before. And it really doesn't stall in minutes. So you can get you one. Thanks. Bye now.